G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode. Unfortunately, a lot of the audio from this episode hasn't turned out, so this intro is coming to you from Broome. Anyway, all good. I hope you enjoy, and I've basically put together as best as I can the footage that did work out. So bear with us on this one, but hopefully we've fixed the problem. Anyway, enjoy guys.
Righto, well this morning we have come up and done the bluff walk. It's about 2.3 k's one way. Yeah, it didn't really pick the weather that great this morning, but it's still not too bad.
At least it's not hot.
Yeah, it's nice and windy. Yeah, nice little walk for the morning, that's for sure. Make sure you do this one. And it's not too hard either.
Bye guys. And that's that. Croc and Tori off to do the gib. Unreal. I think yeah, we might have a few weeks riding solo and then meet back up in Broome, I reckon. So can't wait to hear all the pretty cool stories that I'm sure they're going to have doing the Gympie River Road. I'm a bit jealous we're not doing it, but I just don't think this little old van would handle it, especially after putting it through the paces up in Arnhem Land. I think we just need to give her a little break. So we're just going to do the highway around, and yeah, but next stop I'm pretty sure is going to be Wyndham, so that should be bloody unreal. Anywho, we're going to have a bit of a chill out day today. Unfortunately, pretty much for you guys, it's been chill out days every day. We haven't really done a lot. The wind's been up, it's been overcast and rainy, so there hasn't been a lot going on. But anyway, we'll see what happens today.
Done at Lake Argyle. It was an awesome spot. We loved our stay. That's obviously why we extended it. 37 bucks a night, grass, water. That's 37 unpowered. And then the toilets and showers are really nice. Infinity pool obviously, and yeah, the lake's awesome. Waking up to that view every day. Pretty
unreal spot. Make sure you check it out. And if you have a boat, it's pretty good down on the lake as well for exploring a few of those little bays and whatnot, and yeah, going down to that spillway and trying to chase a barra. Hey, also I did actually hook a barra. I didn't show you guys, but I met a bloke here. His name was Jack. Jack and Rachel, they're in a cruiser traveling around as well, and yeah, they got a big boat, so I was able to swindle a little trip with him, and yeah, hooked an absolute doozy of a barra, but classic me, dropped it at the boat. Poor Jack, I was trying to get him to camera and land the net and all that, and yeah, it didn't go real well. And then on top of it, we actually didn't even have the camera on, so it was one of those sort of days for us. But they are there, the spillway. Make sure you check it out. There's a few barra down there. But anyway, we're off, do a bit of shopping, and yeah, we'll see where we get to tonight. That is how you do it. Well, we've just pulled into Lake Argyle. This is a free camp on the way to Broome. Yeah, another 300 or 400 k's or something to go before Broome. But yeah, this is a beautiful little camp. I'll swing around and check out the lake here. It's just through a property. You just open a gate and yeah, straight into the place. Probably want to be here sort of before about 4 o'clock sort of thing. It starts filling up. as any free camp does. But yeah, have a go at it. And if you're into your birds, there's quite a few of those around here, I tell you. Plenty of people out with their binoculars and big crazy lenses on the end of their cameras taking plenty of photos. I just thought we'd light the fire, damper tonight. You beauty. See what Kate's doing. What's going on in here?
Cooking dinner.
What are we having? Uh-oh.
Can you open that with a can opener?
Yeah.
Veggie curry. Much to Joe's disgust. Nah, it's good. You like this one.
Yeah, look, it's not like, you know, my most favourite meal in the world, but as far as cheap meals goes, this one's pretty damn good, so it's a big tick for me. Anyway, we're gonna crack a beer, I reckon, sit around the fire, watch the sun go down, and yeah, have a damper. Pretty keen for that.
Can't come to WA and not get a photo with your car next to a boab. It is huge.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
This always happened to me.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.